Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to install fonts on your MacBook. Super quick and easy, and no extra apps needed. So let's start. First, you'll need to download the font. To do this, open your browser and go to a font website like Google Fonts or any trusted website. In this video, I'll be using Google Fonts, but you can use other trusted font sites like thefont.com. So as you can see here, I opened Google Fonts. Now choose the font that you like. There are many fonts to choose from in font websites that you can test out. Once you decide on a font that you like, click on Download. But here in Google Fonts, you have to click on Get Font before you click on Download. Now, once you click on Download, it will usually download as a zip file. And make sure that you don't skip the next step because this is where most people get stuck. Once it's downloaded, click on the file. Then it will bring you to your Downloads folder. If the file is zipped, just double-click it to extract it, then the folder will appear. After that, you should see a font file in the folder, usually ending in .ttf or .otf. Now double-click on the font file, and this will open the font book app on your MacBook. Then this tab will appear. Just click on Install. And that's it, your font is now installed in your MacBook. But before using these fonts, you always have to make sure to check the font's license before using it. Because some fonts are only for personal use, while others allow commercial use for business, prints, or digital content. For example, in this font that I downloaded, I read the license and the font that I downloaded here allows commercial use. So just double check the license to make sure that you're using it correctly. And to use your new font, open any app like Photoshop, Canva, or even Stickies. So let's test it out here in Stickies. Open Fonts and look through your font list, and you should see the new font there. If you don't see the font right away, don't worry, because in any app, just restart it, then it will appear right away. And that's how you install fonts on your MacBook. Pretty easy, right? If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.